Hi guys, I hope you all are having an amazing day. The much anticipated Umncwabo song by Duncan's cover for Big Zulu has left many people shocked. Now Kwesta and KO also responded to Inkabi. However, Skuva's song divided people, with some loving the track and others criticizing it. The Durban rapper had recently told his followers that he will respond to Big Zulu on Friday. He did, however, apologize for his late release. Sorry for the long wait. Githi anginazise ukuthi umncwabo uzoba ngoFriday, he wrote on his Facebook. Now, the rapper seemed to have changed his mind as he released the song yesterday, and he went hard on Big Zulu and aired his dirty laundry. In a song, Duncan revealed in his raps that Inkabi did all of this to benefit himself, as he is known to exploit people and spend money on himself and his family. Now, the Inkabi Records founder had people believing he took the track into heart after he wrote on his social media, "The other one can't even afford to buy a goat. Shame on this street kid. I'll just be as short as his career." He also said, "Kwesta, I didn't know I was staying in your house. You should be honest if you gave it to me or whether I won or bought it. When you decide to get personal, don't forget to tell the truth." This had many people believe it. He did take it personal. Now, please do let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And that is it for this video. Catch you guys next time. Bye.